Good morning, guys. Hello, baby here. Welcome to this vlog at very, very special. And guys, today I'm not at home, and actually there's a restaurant here, so I came to have a breakfast. So technically, I go back home. So you see, guys, everything's good, and to say God, thank you so much for the gift of life. God, thank you for everything. And guys, sorry for the noise of the music, but I'm waiting to be served a juice, a mango, a pineapple juice, and then boom. So I'm going to surprise my African mom, guys. So I'm just over here, and I think this is my juice. So it's organic, I'm telling you. It's organic, direct from the pineapple, and man, it's so cold. Wow guys, you see guys there. And I love to come on this restaurant, have only juice. Look guys, that's how my goal looks like. Going to other side. Wow. Although right now guys, it's a Christmas season, so people move up and down, maybe to buy clothes, to buy stuff, you know. So guys, right now I'm not in my home. Technically, after this, after my juice guys, I'm going to surprise my African mom again. This is the year of success. Alright, so I finished taking my juice, and actually I'm heading home guys. You see over there? Wow. Oh guys, so right now I'm heading home, and I bought chain for my Bruno, and actually guys, let's go. So today I'm heading home to surprise my mom again. Slow by itself guys. So technically I'm not in my village right now, and I have a short break, you know. So that's how my goal looks like, and I'm so glad to be here. Wow. You see, you know what guys, today I decided to say, oh, let me have a small outing guys, and I was enjoying to drink pineapple juice, and it's super organic, direct from the pineapple tree guys. So here we go. That's how I go guys, home. Wow. And guys, in case you're new here, you haven't subscribed, please guys, subscribe, show me some love, you know. So although today is sunny, but it is what it is guys. We follow the vibe, and it's on a rain right now, imagine. So that's how we see things changes here. And I'm outside with my baby guys, over here. So I'm driving. Whoa, that's the tipper which deliver some material, you know what I mean? They sold beds there, chairs. Oh, look. Motorbike are so affordable here, and there is, you can maybe afford, maintain, and all stuff. You know, look at the side. Wow. You see other side how things they are here. That's my tattoo car. They are doing my tattoo. Wow. No problem. Oh. See guys, construction going on here, and we outside, man. I'm telling you, we outside. We have Florence restaurant over there. There's a restaurant. Technically it's a nice one. Wow. and the people are traveling at daytime going to Nairobi. That bus. Let's go. And it's far from here back to my village, but it keep pushing me going and surprise my mom at this moment. Why not, guys? Why not? Why not? Why not? But it is what it is, guys. It is what it is. Let's go. Let's flow with vibe. Oh man, look, I'm on my motorbike right now. Why not? Why not, guys? Why not? They sold things on black market, but anyway, here we have black market. We buy things on second hand and all stuff. If you want brand new, you can buy. Man, I'm telling you, the toll station everywhere. Wow. Guys, sorry, I was postponed. I supposed to train my sister how to ride a bicycle today, but God is good. We managed to buy another material for my mom, and that's how maybe I'm struggling here and there, so to make sure that the dream comes to reality. Wow. Ruby's petrol station over there. Wow. I see one of our guys drove a bicycle. See over there. Wow. Oh. An ambulance. Guys, I'm telling you, there's an ambulance, so maybe it's an emergency car. So they rush maybe the patient to the hospital. Wow. I'm keep going back home, and technically today's videos, it's another big surprise toward my mom. And I personally, I feel so grateful to support my mom, to support my family, where I can maybe do it. Maize corn, man. I'm telling you, we have a college here called Elgon College. That one there, that structure, it's a college known as Elgon Vocation over there. Wow, let's go. I hope, guys, are you ready for this surprise? Let's go. Hey. Oh man. Oh damn. Look. Old version car at my back. We have Bansi market. We call it's a supermarket here. Wow. Let's go. This car Matatu. They are transporting people from one place to another. So guys, because it's not a good time, and we shall meet on the next video, guys, while I'm reaching home. So guys, oh, it's raining here, and then I was driving my motorbike over there, so I left, and then I take a shelter over here. After the rain stop, I'll continue, guys. You see, oh, that's my bike. Oh, it's raining here. You can see even the water flow, guys. Look at my jacket. It's raining, so I'm taking a shelter a little bit, and when the rain stops, I'll continue my journey going back home. So today I supposed to surprise my mom, and that's my big aim, guys. Look. Oh, wow. And let's see, guys. See the water? Yeah, that's my bike over there. It's so cold over here, guys, right now. Wow. Finally, guys, I'm back home, and the place that I was maybe under shelter, and it's raining here and there, but when I come back home, no rain. Say hello.
Hello.
Yes, guys, today supposed to train my sister how to ride a bicycle, but other things come later. So I wanna put the jacket down, and because I saw my mom, and then she told me to start or to mix the rice, and technically that is it. Wow, guys, I'm back home, and before that, technically I bought let me put the charger here, guys. So that's how things they are here. To be a bachelor and to be a boy, the house looks shagarabaga. So I bought the chain for my Bruno while we go. So this is the chain, and today I'll put on my party, guys. And technically, let me remove this jacket. Wow, guys, you give me time. I'm removing the jacket. So, oh, guys, wow, I'm struggling here and there. So, wow. And actually, let me do it. There's some work my mom told me to do. Is to stir or to mix the rice right now. Wow. That's how my mama told me to do these things here. So they told me to stir like that way. Right. Alright. Guys, no, I want to light fire. Eh? Okay. So that's how we cook rice here, and I know how to cook, guys, but sometimes, when our brother and sister have been around here. So before that, guys, this video it's all about big surprise toward my mom again. This is success. All right, I bought some chain for the puppy. Go inside the. Okay, if you are all right, let me take it. Okay, let me give them the chain. So I wanna put for the. I know, guys, you will maybe start saying, "Hello, baby, just look some soft to all you tighten your dog around." But here we done locally, and anyway, that's how we flow with vibe. So I want to Bruno. So alright, guys. Come on, look. Alright, Bruno need freedom, so they can maybe jump here and there. And if you want to make sure that your puppy not friendly to maybe villagers, so you tie them where people can't see. Wait, Bruno, stop it, man. And I think when I get like one iron sheet and some timbers, I will make the kennel of my puppy. Right, tie them by using this. These are brand new, guys, I'm telling you. The chain. Wow. So today you'll be tightening here. It's a brand new, and I bought that chain at $1. So they don't want. You don't want? Guys, advise me. Bruno don't want the chain. Kwanza kimbia nayo. Tasuburo Kenya now once. Tasuburo Kenya now so I'm telling my brother to take them outside to run here and there. What's up? You don't want the chain, man. What's going on, man? Okay, take them outside and then you come and then you take them on the chain. Can you nice go once? Can you nice go? Go outside. Go. Go. Yeah, guys. I will do one again, my puppy. Go outside. Yeah. Hey, take care. Sorry. Wow. Like you can around. Yeah, we take the puppy outside. You see? Only single more animals. Right, guys, we take our puppy outside. That's how everything is. And guys, where? Rudi hapa. Yaboni? Njoo hapa. Alright, guys, so right now, Mama, leta ndo jamani. So guys, we want to take nyeupe mama nazijua. So we want to take this bucket and we put water in our toilet. So right now we need everything. Mama leta everything for the toilet that I needed. Leta ndo, ulete perfume and everything. Guys, I'm telling my mama to bring the perfume, toilet cleaner and all stuff. So right. Guys, I can't wait to see tomorrow my sister riding a bicycle. I can't wait because I supposed to train her today, but things happen in other ways. So right now we'll tie you here. You will stay here, you eat here, you enjoy. Guys, Bruno don't want the the chain, guys. This is a brand new chain and I bought around $1. Tareta bevodo besa. Guys, sorry. Leta ndo moja tu. Taretu yununya bonyana yuniane. Mama, come we fetch water, we go. So guys, this is the bucket here. My mama have a lot of buckets like this inside the house. And I told her, you fetch water, put inside the toilet. Because technically, we doesn't have maybe power or electricity to pump water through the toilet and the washroom. So we use it locally, but we try to manage it. And mama, the small brush, it's a brush ndogo. Is it a pink one? Is a pink one or what? Let's see, man. Yeah, things like that. Mimi mbitu pana. Sasa wewe yako itakuwa hii. Yours will be this one.
Tiko mchana kwa henya ila.
I think yours will be this one. So just keep it this one inside here. Oh guys. Guys, I'm struggling. That are you? This one here. It's for this one. Okay, this is the perfume, mama. What's there? Okay, if maybe in the morning you. Okay. So let's go. I'm going to go to kudeki. Apado petora sekera go bath. Come with everything. So guys, we migrate, and today, that being said, on these videos I'll surprise my mama with material for the dream house. 20 minutes, let's go. It is the perfume here, and this is the toilet cleaner. I'm a fetch water and we go. And you must use a small jug. Bakutu milichagi mama temara temera manchili. Mona, moni richai. So here is where we fetch water, guys. Okay. Yeah, so fetch water, man. Oh guys, that is it. And even me, I'm new, I must read the precaution on this toilet cleaner. It's a tough stain remove. It has excellent germ killing ability. It's effective against bacteria like E. coli, Plasmodium nice, fungi, and many others. It's clean off the yellowing caused by the hard water on the surface of the toilet bowl and remove bad odor. Look at that odor. Direction of use: open the cap, direct the nozzle over here under the rim of the toilet bowl and squeeze. Spray the toilet cleaner with a brush to cover the whole toilet bowl. Brush carefully all the applied surface. Leave for 15 minutes, then flush. Sustainable for ceramic, stainless. Keep out of reach children. In case of skin or eye contact, flush with plenty of water and irritation persists. Consult physician. Alright guys, so that's the precaution, and I think this one, it's a risk. Keep out of reach children like my sister here. So mama, after meosha choo memaliza, you spray this, you put this toilet cleaner. After 15 minutes you splash water. Unaona, unasafisha vizuri na maji, na unaweka hii, unasafisha na brush vizuri, and then you left after 15 minutes unamwaga maji sasa. I think you get me better. You see, even the toilet is just over here, and it may, oh guys, what is food? What is food? Wow. Okay, let's go. Right now guys, my African mom, she doesn't struggling anymore. So finally we're going outside, and that being said, yesterday we officially opened it, and right now guys, we start transferring one by one. And the good thing about me guys, I'm showing you my family. Why not? I'm showing you my family, and today it's not a kind of a sunny day, but it is what it is. Hey, that's my mom. Hey, 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 hey. Nanga hoy na kinonki.
Kama antelisi. Mbura. Mbura de buto. Matoge wote. Ndio susutu.
Right. Mrama onde kwa tumufundi yako kengi.
Abuya golo tatira. Tigana we bano kwimukiri yo akigone hasi.
Yangi bimukiri. So you put water there.
Yata you be.
So you put hang. Why do you work what you. So guys, imagine we prefer to do water like this because in our home here, no power. We use a shortcut. We fetch water, we put inside here, and we get here and maybe mama. This one will be here. Here. I think guys, this water is supposed to be here. Mama, unaonaje kikaa? Yeah, and then this one you place it here. You know? That way. Anyway guys, it can fit. I'm decided to take this one here. To put water here like that way. And then this one I put here. Why not guys? I put here like that way, and then after using this you can able to splash. Why not? And let me read the precaution of the spray. Air fresh. It's right. Okay, mama, hold it for me like this. Okay, these are brand new, fresh, clean. Cooling hot, air fresher.
Yeah,
it's a brand new guys. Mama yaka hivi. It's a brand new. Oh, see guys, I'll give you the result. Let's see. You do like this. I want to see, before I do spraying, I want to do the precaution, direction. Shake before you spray. And avoid eye contact. Keep away from children because danger. Physical contact may explode at temperature about 50 degrees Celsius. Keep it cool. Right. Flame. Or incinerated, guys. I don't know. First aid. In case of the skin irritation of the eye contact, wash off with water. Seek medical advice. Okay, I know that one. Right. Mama, before you spray, unatikisa. Tikisa means, guys, you shake. You do like this. And in my primary education, we learned if you want to spray maybe the chemical in your farm, spray where the wind is blowing toward, not from. Like when the wind is going this way, just do like this, spray when it's go that way. When the wind is coming this way, you spray where the wind is going to. Or you spray where the wind is coming from. No. Where the wind is going to. Because when you spray where the wind is coming from, you inhale that chemical. You do like this one. Oh my God. You shake. And then you do like this. How it smell, man? And then you close. After that, you put here. You close. Oh my God! Get out! Eh? You see? Oh my god. Whew. It's smelling like an orange. How do you feel? Yeah? And we have so many categories. Oh guys, it's smelling like but it's not affect me. But when I'm spraying, even when I'm outside, I had that smell. Even while passing on this, I think this is the washroom. Oh my god, even outside it's smelling, and it's smelling good like an orange. Mama. I think you do one like we done once. Are you cool? Okay, you can close it there. Ngutanda mwanangu kuchoke ngo morate moro wake kuimukire baba kani ganki
nake igo sibono ma ake gukanye na tambe ma bakahana
honzo ukengo makanyuma
utake ngumba kanyu tukumano ano kongo aguri kunini tukumano ano kunini bura hano ben wansira hano bakahana tukumano ho kuya buri hano ko sasa ukenge igo sasa ukubunu tukumano ajuiga bakahana
mandor tunamango uko flexible like mama tasonga mama ona mwanangu kama huonona it's flexible haushiki sehemu yago iko nyunga
puya marasi
I'm asking my mama how do you have that smell because it smells like an orange and mama ukitoka chooni if you are visit the toilet don't touch this paint. Nobody will touch this paint and even here toke buri kunyuko
kana nyo chi wansiri gucha mokanya ntoni siruwe wa
Wow guys, so on today's videos you just wait, you see how I'm surprising my mom, and I was showing my mom how we spray, like, and for me I done like twice, but I realized you shake and then you spray at once, like that's the birds there. You do like wow guys, so stay tuned. More amazing videos coming from here, and today it's another surprise guys, so stay tuned guys. The tipper is coming right now. Oh guys, so it's another day, and I suppose to add the stones right now, so I'm rushing guys. Whoa. So this is the time. Oh, I wake up in the morning and we have the stones guys. Oh, you see that one there? So this is day 2 guys to bring stones here. Look at that one guys. So I'm buying slowly materials I can. Wow. It's Roman Hanum. Tai. Wow. So I'm telling them to go that way and then put on this side here. I'm better hard. So guys, I think this is day 2 to buy material. Wow. So guys, I'm telling you, God is good all the time, and like yesterday I transfer material from other side to this side, and technically guys, God is good all the time. Wow. Changeenda hivi hadi pale ndo ya mwage hapa. Tatu na kama hapo. Ma iku maganda gara chama hapa. Always Mabruri. Okay guys, I'm telling him you go this way and then they put here. Well guys, what can I say? God, thank you so much. I want to turn this dream. I want to do this dream come to reality, guys. I'm telling you. Wow. Guys. Imagine there's another surprise. Wow. Oh guys, I left my phone inside my house. Wow. Wow. Wow, guys, slowly, guys. Wow, I feel like I could use that one to take my thumbnail. Wow, guys, what? Okay. Wow. Okay, guys, over there. Right. Asa ramuri renga wiki chega oronde hatamba la kuna masenti. Oh guys, wow. So I want to make the payment, guys. One tipper like that, you see there, goes to $60. And I think, guys, I could be maybe stopped there, and maybe when I get money later, I'll try to keep pushing, you know. So slowly, guys. So that is it. That's how I'm chasing my dream here and there. So technically, guys, that being said, maybe it depends on the place that you are, maybe, guys. If you buy stones, it's so expensive. But in our village here, when you have $60, you can keep pushing. And I think that's they took buying materials from my mom, and I would stop it there. So technically, for me, I'm just praying my roles or my part where I can. And guys, to be honest, I build a small house like the way you see that one there, but a permanent one, guys. You can advise me according to the comment section, guys, you know. And I feel so happy, so excited when I see dream come to reality. And I'm trying to change the narrative slowly, guys. No pressure, guys, you know. Guys, I think for now I can pay that $60 right now, guys. So I stop it there. And for those people that keep supporting me, guys, may God bless you abundant. So when I get money later, I'll push it. Something. Aye. Aye. So guys, I was paying the money. Woo. No problem, guys. Like I buy material, bim bam bam. I bought material like crazy. Like anyway, yesterday they collect material from other side, put him here. So first day I bought there. You have so Hanonde, and technically we try to keep pushing, guys. So far so good. I'm lucky 3 tippers, so we say goodbye. 3 tipper only, guys. So maybe when you multiply times 3, it's a 60. When I get like let me say roughly $180 or $150, I'm trying to keep pushing. But for now, let me say God thank you, because I made another step for my mom. For me, I'm just okay with my house where I'm living, and it's really touching, guys. So I'll say goodbye. So it's going, guys. So today it's on Tuesday. I'm telling you, day of 2024 is the day of success, and for me, I'm trying. Hetere ne heo. Leo takana na magena mbuya kana manene. Afadhali manene. Ukubona tore manene amake. Kana amake kunyore bure base bagutura ambe baratura barayichoga. So itipira chakora takembere hara. Enere toronde homhen. Manene ga. Era chakorete. Etio yareti. Guys, I'm telling you, even my mama I'm telling you guys, even my mama, she can't believe. But for me, I'm telling her, dream come to reality. So for me, I buy materials slowly. And I say, God, thank you, and you give me more years, good health. I'll do my family as I can, and if something is difficult to me, I can't do it. But I had on the comment section on my yesterday videos, one good of my subscriber comment, right now your toilet teach you some lesson how you can build your mom's dream house. And exactly, so right now I want to correct material. So that being said, right now I'm like 3 tippers or 3 roadies that you see going that way, and then we say goodbye stones, and we'll see, guys. Maybe let me say I'll spend from January to December collecting material which are needed, sand, collecting cement, like that way. But for me, when I close my eyes and I open, I say, God, thank you. And my mom is just over. Come on, then say hello. Guys, I always wake up in the morning, and because of time, and I'm shooting this video randomly, so I haven't maybe washed the face, because that guy didn't calling me that, oh, I'm coming right now. So for me, I realized the tip is around, and I wake up reckless making videos. But anyway, guys, washing face, it doesn't matter. I will go back. Imagine, mom.
Eh?
Say morning.
Hello.
Say morning.
Morning.
Right, tunaonaje?
Vizuri.
Yeah. So my mama, I'm telling my mama, how do you see the huge transformation? He said it's good, and you mom just believe in God, endelea kuamini Mungu. Siku moja nitakujengea tu nyumba. Sasa hivi nikokota tu material pole naeka. Guys, I'm telling my mama, you just believe in God. One day, I will build your dream house. So far so good right now. It's a time of correcting materials, you know. And technically, we're just over here. Oh, guys, it's early morning, and I feel like when I wake up like this morning, on this moment, I supposed to go outside looking videos how to make here and there, and then I'll come back home. So I will never go back to bed. So I cut off the sleepness. Mama, this stone is yours. Eh? Tipi wangu mama kenda kanhana na wewe ya mimi kumusingi roho mane heka ki. Ini kidogo. Utagendelea kunsafiri wewe. Ini kidogo. Ini kidogo. Ini kidogo. Bondesa kukatsirudi nyumba yao. Unni kandu hapo ni hate meke pema kuhakacheno setatu. Guys. My mama, she can feel like she can shedding tears, guys, because she was, guys, struggling, taking me back to school, doing hard job, and at the same time we eat. Man, I'm telling you, when my mama said this, and I remember one day my mama told me some women in the village, they laughing my mom how do a hard job taking us to school. Sometimes, guys, we came at lunch, no food, and I say, God, thank you. Nowadays, we open the door. So even when I do something like this, and I realized one day my mama created for me a story, how people laugh for her. We heard them. How people laugh for her. I was greeting that man passing there. So that's the story for another day, guys. But when somebody do for you a wrong thing, it rotates to him or to her. But for us, we didn't do it anything wrong about other people's. They start laughing to us when we are in hard life. But we keep saying, God, thank you. And that's how we see God come with a lot of blessing toward my family. And my mama, she just believe in God, every day. And I myself, I believe in God. So technically, let's do it, guys. And guys, if you wanna support me in other way, guys, you can support. So to make sure that here and there I was making my mom's dream come to reality. For me, that's my word. And let's say from February to May, it's the time to collect cement. And then from June to July, I will see how I'm going to do. Because, guys, I wish you good health, good life. May God keep you putting this world, give you longer life. So by keep supporting me, watching my videos until the end. And guys, if you meet my video for the first time, and you haven't subscribed, guys, please subscribe, comment, share my videos to your family. And also, guys, let me know in the comment section, what do you think about my video? And roughly, let's do it without your full support. That maybe I couldn't buy these stones, but you keep taking your all time watching my videos here and there. You advise me, and the way I build my our toilet slow. I will build my mom's house slowly, guys. And although bricks, it can take me 1 month, but when I use the blocks, it takes me only 1 week and the house will be completed. So technically, the blocks, it's so expensive, goes to $1,000. So you can get 2,000 blocks. And here, I can use $400 to buy bricks, although which is so cheaper, and it can take me 1 month building my mom's dream house, but blocks only 1 week you say goodbye. So it's an expensive one. So if you have let me say, if you have $1,000, you can buy 2,000 blocks, which are very very unique, and it can run our house within short period of time. That being said, 1 week, and we said my mom's dream house goodbye. Although we lucky enough, we have some trees there. I can split timbers and I store them. And in other way, when it's missing, maybe I will buy maybe 3 to 4 trees, and then I split timber. And for now, I myself, in terms of timber, have some trees there that you see. I'll split them. I'll keep the timbers until when the roofing is coming. But for now, guys, I don't want maybe to go ahead of the topic. So it's the time of collecting material, guys. And let me go back. So by tomorrow, I don't know, by yesterday's videos, we opened our toilet officially. It will be used today and forever, guys. Wow. Even my mama, she doesn't have anything to say. She kept quiet and looking the progress. Well, guys, we shall meet on the next videos today, guys. And after maybe delivered materials, so we tried to make slashing this area. So my brother just over here, so we slashed them, and that's how things they are here. So we cut them into down, and after that we collect. Wow. Ekiro jintara ngere rangera kamwe iburuer era itiga nenda to hake kamwe na hano acheke. So we try to do some cleanness here and there. Kan sene kango mukemara. Wow. And actually, guys, that's the work for today. So you see how we're going to do. It is what it is, guys. Wow. Sometime when you cut some grass into, you cut them to be short. Maybe some mosquitoes, snakes, you know, it will be hiding inside. That's my brother. Ah. Oh guys, so guys, that is it. That's how things they are here. Oh guys, so I'm keep going to Nyabuhans right now, but I didn't manage to make a video from my home. But technically I'm just over here. And guys, today it's another day, so I want to visit this family again. And actually this place where they stayed, they are rented here. And maybe guys, I made these videos if one will be touched with these stories for this family. But it's a nice couple. And guys, for me, I would feel so bad maybe when somebody eating and one are not eating. And technically guys, I want to do it right now. So these things, they keep pushing me, guys. And I pray one day when I meet this couple together. So I asked the husband, because he was hustling here and there, so to make sure the kids getting maybe food and whatever, you know what I mean. And technically guys, to be honest, when I was passing on my first videos, this kid boy calling me and then say hello, and then for me guys, I didn't hide on camera, so I showing you how it's good. Uko poa mra? Yeah. Sadimi. Semashika. Yeah guys, so I'm on the process. By 22nd I was thinking, I'm not thinking, by 22nd I'll take this kid to market to have the clothes and everything, and 25th I'll take their mother and small kid the restaurant to eat guys. So currently where they stayed, this is not their land, and actually they rented here. So both of them, they doesn't have maybe power to build maybe a small house. And guys, technically I want to say, if you feel like you can support this couple, I will ask their husband or the father of this family right now, and he paid rent on this house that you see here. So actually sikuangukie. So it's a friend to mine, close friend to mine, because today Baba you consider, I'm asking him, your dad is alright. Okay, and I thank God I found them together. Muita, they are drinking. Yeah. Guys, I want to ask Muita if he has a land, and guys, if you can maybe this story touch you, if you can maybe build a small house, a mud house like this. And I myself, I was born on this house, but for us we try maybe to smear some white mud and all stuff, but we have the same house like this one. Muita una shamba? Kabisa.
Shamba ana.
No mugondo kabisa.
Mwenye shamba anakuwa na namba.
Mimi nataka tu kaa chini.
Ana shamba sikudanganya.
Mwitu linda tuna. Sika no mugondo tuna kokora hii. Nataka mimi hata kama ni yako kidogo tu, yenye mtu atakuwekea tu nyumba.
Niko na shamba.
Mimi hata kama mtu ana namba, sinunui shamba. Mimi nataka tu kama mtu anaweza, yani ochi sehemu wasaidie, hata kama na mabati 7 mbahagatiri tu nyumba inkigo. Mtoke kwa so guys, I'm telling Muita, no baheno mugondo kabisa Muita. Sitaki mimi unidanganye. Peleka mtoto nje. Uwe auntie. Wana mtoto asilie kwa kamera waruhusi. Peleka mtoto nje tuturudi. Peleke. So guys, I don't want maybe while I'm talking kids making some noise. Peleke nje. Yeah, it's the kids guys. So Muita, mimi nakuuliza ukweli mara ya mwisho. Kama una shamba, hata kama na haikigo, angalau hata mtu akikujengea ni sawa. Una shamba kabisa? Okay guys, I'm repeating this, I'm insisting. Muita, do you have the land? Muita said yes, but he doesn't have the power to build a house. And guys, if maybe I feel so bad, if you can maybe do it. I feel so bad maybe when somebody maybe struggling here and there to make sure the kids eat, her wife or his wife, and he paid the rent inside here. Guys, for me, I'm not doing charity work, but it keep touching me. If right now I could have the money, I could buy the iron sheet I built for them and to migrate from here. Guys, okay Mwita, mimi mtu akiweza tu niwekea pesa, mimi naweza kuambia Mwita tuende ukate miti. And guys, I think if I could get $300, I can buy trees or the post, iron sheets, nails, and then I build for them a nice small house so they can stay there in good way, because Mwita has the land and has a small piece of the land they shares. And actually guys, I can build for them a house. So rather than maybe struggling here paying rent, and imagine this house, it's almost to fall down. Alafu mkungu anonga hachi nyumba atakacha kukirepora repora.
Sasa ati.
Eni utamkataza kabisa.
Kipindi kanaenda kwa kule mangana. Sasa hivi toka amejifungua ametoka. Ana shida yoyote.
Sawa. Hata mimi niende. Endelea tu kuomba Mungu. Mungu akifanya mambo, mimi nitajitokeza tu. Guys, I'm telling Mwita to continue praying God. If God will open the door, I will help him from the hard life right now. Here, imagine they paid rent here and they stayed here. So guys, I think $300 I can manage to build for them a small house. I put the door and maybe guys, that is it. Uwe auntie, endelea kuomba Mungu. Ah? Mimi niko sawa, endelea kuomba tu Mungu.
Tuandama siku hii nyumba na kuja kuchukua kila siku video. Ama tukupige.
Sasa munipige.
Hata tukupige basi. Kwa nini kuja kuchukua video kila siku?
Maana na promise we Christmas.
Unakuja utuachie kitu. Unajua sitaki ujinga wenu mimi. Unajua jana mcheze mgesi na umezoea kubwa.
Mimi nitakuachia sukari basi.
Naenda kwa mgesi.
Well guys, so finally I'm inside my house and since I left in the morning, actually if you're watching my videos, I was taking a pineapple juice and right now it's lunchtime and I've been here so taking this as my lunch time. Imagine guys, so this is a small rice and we take it. Oh guys, after this I'm going to check my neighbor how it's progress in terms of making bricks, you know. Yeah. But guys, let me say, for me, I'll pay a visit there at my neighbor who making for me bricks. But anyway, guys, right now, I don't want maybe to pressure people like, oh, I'm here and there. So the reason why I'm going there is for a meanwhile. It's long time. So I'm supposed to be there to see maybe there's something going on and I haven't knew. So I'm supposed to go there and check how the progress have been going. And right now, I'm keep putting more effort on buying stones as I can. So like, right now, I bought like today's the second time and I'm remaining with 3 tippers. So today, it's the 2 material arrived at home. And actually, that's my mom's material. And technically, I'm like 3 tippers for the stones. And when maybe I get money, soon I'll buy 1 tipper like that way. So 1 tipper goes to $60. Imagine guys, $60 you can have 1 full of stones. But anyway guys, for me, this time I'm putting more effort on buying stones. Like the remaining 3 tippers, I'll do it slow until when I finish up. When I finish maybe buying stones, I'll see for the next chapter guys. Things like that, you know. So right now when I finish taking my lunch or my breakfast, whatever, actually this is my lunch time. So there's no need maybe taking lunch again. So this is my lunch. When I finish taking them, I'm going to see the progress guys. So stay tuned guys. So guys, that being said, after the surprise, let me check the progress, how my brothers make the bricks. That's how it is. For me, I'm so grateful. But guys, these things will be serious. And anyway, I wanna check. For me to be there, it's long time guys. So right now I wanna check how he's doing in terms of making bricks. That is it. But for now guys, I'm repeating this, I'm putting more effort on buying stones. That's how things they are here. Let's go guys. One day you'll say that house goodbye. That house that you see, one day we'll say goodbye with in good way. You have the maize corn and that's how things they are here. Wow. For me, I was admired to pass on these trees here because at the same time we have the road here to have that view like sorry guys, today no sunny. Sometimes you see me clear, sometimes you not see me clear, but you heard my voice. Let's go. I'm back to my normal hairstyle, guys. Look. I'm back to my normal hairstyle. So let's go this way, guys. Just comment. Drop the sweet comment, and I want to know what do you think about in the comment section, guys. Let's go. Here we flow with the vibe. And in case of anything, guys, we are here as a family, and we are here as friends. We are here, brother and sister, to advise your son, to advise your brother, do this and this. And for me, I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful, guys. What a good day. But I realized when I was going like back way, you see me clear, guys, or else I will change the route. So let me go this way. You know, you must be a good filmer. Oh, something changed. Oh, guys, I was setting the GoPro. Alright, so let's go. Oh man, that's how cows looks like. And technically, before I go this way, I want to check our cow whether it's okay. Look, like last time, I think previous day, guys, you see my veterinary tried to deworm our cow. And in terms of that, guys, you see we have another one here, just okay. What's up? And the good thing about our cow, are not aggressive, so you can touch if you want to touch on their horns, you know. Wow. Hey, African village. Whoa. Wow, guys. Oh, this one is not a mushroom. It's an example of it's a mushroom, but it's not meant for eating or cooking. This one that you see here. So these are like a poison, guys. If you take, your life is gone. But it's an example of a mushroom. You see even how it looks like. So my brother want to rotate the cows from one point to another. Yeah, they want to graze the cow, guys. And anyway, guys, I'm keep going to my neighbor and advise me, maybe in your place that you are using maybe a special detergent in the toilets. Actually, in our village you have that one, but I see something like marble. When I asked, they told me it's used in toilet. So I'm going to Border Town to buy those marbles, and you will comment on today's videos before I use it. So for now, I know me only the toilet cleaner and the air fresh, only that. But when I saw in the supermarket, I asked the owner of supermarket, they told me we use in toilets. So something like a white marble. When I reach there, guys, I will show you, and then you advise me how we use it. Maybe for me I will buy, and when I'm trying to use it, maybe it's in a wrong way. So let's go and see. Let's go and see, guys. Oh, goats are grazing there. Wow, guys, that's how everything it is here. You see, some goats are grazing there. We have white one, brown, you see, like that. So let's go. Wow. So I'm keep going down. Tata kuguriore irenga
ya tatu.
Oh, na uwezi tengeneza ile kitu inaitwa getonga?
Getonga hata nilikuwa nao jana.
Oniria kuweka mangu, unauza shilingi ngapi?
Ile nauza 400. Jana nilikuwa.
Okay, utengeneze kubwa. Unaona hizo miji ziko hapo hivi.
Niliuza tenga ya kuku juzi hapo.
Sitaki la kuku la kuweka nguo.
Niliuza
ile inakaa unatumia ile mani ya majamvi. Ukishatengeneza kubwa vizuri kuweka nguo, unaweza miji jiko hapo Jumamosi unilete. Aye. There's a man selling some stuff for keeping the chicken or chicks. Actually chicks, the small chicks. So, or the young one of hen. Let's go. Guys, I feel like I could show you that mansion. And you advise me, guys. You know me, I'm just following the vibe here and there. And I get the good comments. So you advise me, guys. I see one of my neighbors using the blocks. And I have shown you for several times. There. Maybe when I'm standing here, you'll see, guys. You see there? But anyway, let me zoom with my phone. You see that house? Maybe on the video you will see, guys. Let me use the phone because my camera can't zoom the way it's supposed to zoom, guys. So give me a time. I'm zooming by using my phone. Wow, guys, you see how my phone zooming? Like, you see that house? Oh, guys, I'm trying to zoom, and you see that mansion. And maybe, guys, you will advise me when I'm start building my mama dream house. I could use that blocks or bricks, guys. Wow. Let's go. You over? Thank you.
How are you?
I'm good. Yeah, me, I'm just hustling here.
You're just hustling.
Here and there. Because, guys, the reason why I don't want to go inside because the owner, he's not around. And the gate have been closed. So I don't want to do some trespassing, guys. It's illegal. You know, even when the compound haven't fenced well, you're supposed to respect people's property, you see? Wow. So for me, I'm going this way. And I want to see my mom's bricks here. You know, that's the reason why I was working here and there. And people advise me, hello baby, finish toilet first. And then you go to the next step. For me, the reason why I came here is to check the bricks. You know, sometime maybe things went wrong and I haven't knew. And technically I see the progress is good. And guys, this in terms of this project, the price was being $400, and there's a time I made a video paying him $100. So the price was being $400, so we paid $100, so we're remaining with $300. And I think when I finish buying some stones, and then, guys, I'll do for the next step is to complete paying this bricks here, guys. And guys, maybe sometime if you're watching this video and it will touch you, like you can support maybe in other way, you can support, guys. And the good thing about me, I'll make a video and you will see, guys. But I'm not maybe commanding you, and I'll say, guys, please, if you wish you wanna support Hello Baby Official, maybe by paying these bricks. For me, I'm telling you what I'm passing through here and there. So why not I keep quiet, and then it will keep keep maybe pushing my heart. Do this, like, no, man. Do it. So when you compare bricks, you see the house of bricks and blocks, it's totally different. Like that way. You see that blocks? You mean there? That's the blocks. So maybe on video you will get that. You'll get that house, the mansion. And imagine that house was being built within 3 days. Imagine, and it's almost in the rental. Why not? Let's go. Wow, guys. When I'm standing this way, you see me clear. So guys, stay tuned. I want to take my bike and going in the supermarket in Bordertown to buy those marbles for the toilet. You will see. And I will let you to know in the comment section. Advise me before I use it. Yeah, so stay tuned, guys. Oh guys, I'm trying to zoom and you see that mansion, and maybe guys you will advise me when I'm start building my mama dream house. I could use that bricks, blocks or bricks, guys. Wow. Oh guys, so finally I'm heading border town, and at the back I found my neighbor and I give him a special ride to border town. So technically this is how the road looks like. Wow. It's supposed to rain anytime from now. It's just the clouds. It's totally different. So, where is she? Wow, there's one of my neighbor, one of my friends. Say hello. So let's go. Boom. So we're outside, man. Now we are heading to border town right now, and it's a good day. It's a blessed day. And guys, for me, I feel so good when I see more success coming toward my family, guys. I feel so good. Feel so good. So actually, I'm heading to border town right now to buy those stuff like a marble, you know. Wow. Oh, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. This is border town, and actually I'm with my baby over here. See? Oh man. Wow. Hey, guys, you see that small car? Wow. I was okay. No. Asante. So uchucha hicho?
Sawa sawa.
Kana ni huku yana?
Mama gati mo.
Gati. Kwani mwakore guys? Gasi yake?
Hardware.
Oh, sawa.
Dana imiki vifaa hivi mkamiti. Urusiri.
Sawa. Oh guys, I was giving him a special ride, and actually he was heading on that hardware there. So I'm keep continuing my journey. Oh. Then I use the kick one. Like that way. Our journey continue, guys. So this video are very special, and you see guys, this is a business town, and technically in our village here it's not congested. See, I'm telling you. Let's boom towards the supermarket right now, guys. What a good day, man. That's how I vibe outside here, and I'm within border town right now. Know what I mean? So for me, I drive slowly, you know. Actually, I'm walking on pedestrian side. Let's go. Ah, my God. Wow. They sold chairs there. Wow. Anyway, let's go. I think even Pan-Africanism, I think the way is like this way, guys. Nothing changed. Nothing changed. This is East African Kenya. Nothing changed, you know. Wow. Oh. I'm telling you guys, motorbike are more affordable here. You can buy and you can hire anytime, guys. Whoa! Whoa! We're buying close there. Whoa, 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 whoa! I'm not going to go this way. That way. Oh guys, so I'm just talking right now here. Woo. Wait, nipe ile mambo bana. Ile ya choo, sitaki kumrika, nipe mambo. Iko wapi? Oh guys, I'm trying to look that stuff. Guys, I was needing I need this stuff. Okay, nataka unielezee hii kitu ina manufaa gani? Kumuriki ina manufaa gani? Eh, najua upendi kamera, niambie tu. Na kama haina harufu, unaweka hata kama haina harufu. So, unaweka baada ya kutumia ama unarusha kule ndani kwenye mireli? Si kwa shimo zile za kukaa, unarusha ndani. Haina effect. So unarusha moja. Si baada ya mwezi. Na yatoka shimo. Mara kwa chini. Oh guys, so this is the stuff that they came to pick. And there are how many number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So maybe after 4 days, 3 days. Nasema 150. Imagine this one goes to $1. Maybe. Hii kitu ni 100 bana. Kwa supermarket nyingine iko kwa share ni 100. Huko chini. Mbona inapanda? Anda mbona wameandika hapa 5 liter? Asoma tu. 5 liter. Nipatie precaution. Yao kitu. 5 liter. 5 liter kufanya nini? Before I use something I want to know.
Hii kwa kutumia wacho. Unaweka 5 liter ya maji kwa
maji. Alafu unaweka kitu ndani. Alafu unatikisa na mwanga kwa choo. Sasa mbona uko unaniambia ni kitu moja kwa choo? Ndivyo. Acha niangalie kama kuna zingine zinafanana nini. Wow, guys. Let me confirm. Well guys, I've already come back home again from Border Town, and guys, you are my good people. Before I use this stuff which I bought in the supermarket, it's written premium ever fresh toilet bowl. And guys, it's a 200 grams when packed like this. So let me read the precaution, and you advise me accordingly, guys. Before I use it, I want to know the implication, advantage or disadvantage, guys. You advise me. This stuff I was talking like a marble, and the ingredient paradichlorobenzene, like this. The like maybe I don't know. Caution: dangerous if you swallowed. Keep away from children. Avoid contact with skin and eyes. If you swallow, then take medical advice immediately. Keep in cool, dry place, and anyway from direct sunlight. Direction: open the riper. Right there. What's a ripe? Or put the ever fresh ball in the urinal pot and wash basin for the fresh aromas. Right that way, guys. So before you watch this video keenly, it doesn't this marble, it doesn't need sunlight, so I keep it in cool dry place. So anyway, guys, advise me before I use it by tomorrow. So technically I bought it and I will store inside the house, and technically right now we maintain good hygiene, good contact. I want to store it in a cool dry place. Actually, I don't want to take them outside inside the house. I will keep it here. So if you watch this vlog, you advise me, guys. So I want to end my video here by saying, guys, thank you so much. May God bless you. We shall meet on the next video, guys, which is tomorrow, guys. Bye bye.